Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by bringing the bike frame and rear wheel close to a sturdy anchor. This reduces exposed space and prevents leverage attacks. Once done, orient the U-lock so the curved shackle faces away from the ground and the lock mechanism is reachable. Make sure accessories like lights or bags are off or tucked in because they add bulk and can be cut. You're combining positioning and accessibility now to make the actual locking step fast and secure. You now insert the U-lock so it captures the strongest parts, the rear triangle of the frame plus the anchor, not just the wheel. Press components together to minimize any gap. A tight fit reduces time and space for pry tools. Once the shackle is seated, slide the crossbar in until it clicks and turn or press the mechanism fully. Confirm both ends are locked. Make sure the cylinder faces down or away from handholds. That orientation makes attacks harder and slower. You finish by giving the bike a firm pull and a wiggle to confirm everything is immobile and the lock is engaged. This verifies correct placement. Make sure you note the lock serial or take a photo for recovery and keep the key in a consistent secure spot or carry a spare. If the key sticks or the shackle won't seat, don't force it. Wiggle gently, apply a small amount of silicone lubricant and retry. Forcing risks breaking the key or the mechanism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.